Just like you guys are here today, 8 weeks ago, I was here sitting in that chair, but it was on a Monday night, I believe. And it was later in the evening, and I was getting hungry and I wanted to go, but they wouldn't let me. Thanks, Dr. Collins, for warming up for me. This is a great group. They're smiling already before I get a hold of them later in the evening. I don't do this regularly. I'm 64 years old, going on 65. I was hurt when I was 23 years old. My body was smashed, and they've done 23 back surgeries on me trying to get my back together. And everything else. When they smash, when body smash, it's everything. Inside your body, all your organs, and everything. I've had a pretty miserable time the last 45 years. Nobody could fix it. I've been to doctor after doctor after doctor, to witch doctor, to that doctor, and I do mean when I say witch doctor, I mean witch doctor. I mean, I was ready for anything. You got to get out of the pain. Those of you who are here today that have pain, I tell you now, I know you know what pain level 10 is. Compares to pain level 1. I mean, every time you go see a doctor about it, the first thing they ask you, what's your level? They had for me for the last 45 years. My level was at a 10, constantly, never stopped. This was a last hope for me. If I didn't get something done, I wasn't going to go on anymore. I just couldn't do it. There was no way. And to make a long story short, they made it possible for me. When I came in here, I was on 2 canes. I couldn't stand up and walk. I've been able to stand up and walk for years. Look at that. I've been in a shaking machine in there, so my legs are a little wobbly. I've been playing while you guys are listening. Everything is working better for me. My kidneys, and I'm still waiting for the final test to come in, but my kidneys were about ready to shut down because I'm diabetic also. For some reason, my blood sugar has gone it's to the floor. It's great. I'm waiting for the dust test to come in because they were getting ready to put me through dialysis. I could tell already I don't need it because everything's gotten better so far. I'm still working on it. I mean, the stem cells are still working on it. I can feel kind of, and I don't know what that's the way it's supposed to be or what it is, but you can feel, I mean, inside my body, starting after 3 weeks of this, I can feel like somebody's just sitting there starting to knit on an area. Both my shoulders are bad, my knees are bad, my back is bad, everything in my body hurt for so long, for so many years. And then when you lay around in bed or sit in a chair, it gets worse. And I know you all know that because you do it too. You can't keep going 100 miles an hour all your life if you just can't do it. And I've been trying to push it all these years. This is the best thing I've ever done in my life. You hear the cost and this and that, and let me tell you, I was retired when I was 46. I'm a type A personality with a driver. And if you know what that means, I'm a person that doesn't stop. And they retired me because I couldn't take it anymore. I couldn't fly on a jet. I was over 108 countries with Hewlett Packard. And I just couldn't work anymore. My doctor called, I was on a plane going to Japan, my doctor called up and said, you got to get Bill out of there, he's killing himself, and you're at fault. They retired me that day. They called the plane back and put me at home. That was it. That's all that's it. So I've been retired ever since. I have 12 hobbies now, but I was getting to the point I couldn't even do hobbies because I can't stand up long enough. So, in fact, I just started a new hobby this week. I got so much going on, I don't even know what's happening. I'm not laying in bed late in the day. I sometimes wouldn't get up till 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon because I couldn't stand getting out of bed. Another day of pain, another day of hurt, another day of suffer. When I seen the ad for this, I was enjoyed. I really was so happy that maybe there is something, because I never thought they would approve this in my lifetime. I did not think it was going to happen. Well, honestly, lately I haven't been wanting to go any further. I mean, death was simpler and easier for me than it was living. When you're in that kind of pain all day, every day, I haven't picked up or my grandkids, held my grandkids or anything, and I have 7 of them.
When are you taking them to Disneyland?
Well, actually, when I leave here tonight, I'm going to my grandson's 3rd birthday, and we're going to bounce houses, and I'm jumping into bounce houses with the
Go
kids.
easy, you go easy. Have you cleared him for that, Doc?
Hey.
You guys give Bill a warm applause for coming up here for us. Thanks.
Yes.